Thermalright is a well-established name in the cooling industry at this point, and they're certainly not compromising anything with their Thermalright Frozen Notte 240 either. This cooler has a high-speed external pump with speeds of 5,300 RPM, which isn't a common sight, allowing it to handle intensive workloads with ease. Let's find out exactly how well it performs. The Thermalright Frozen Notte 240 is packaged with cardboard, foam, and plastic to protect the components. Inside the box, you get the 240mm radiator with two 120mm fans that are pre-installed, mounting brackets for Intel and AMD platforms, fan adapters, and a user manual. The cooler doesn't come with thermal paste pre-applied, so you also get a thermal paste tube for manual application. Looking at the design and build of the cooler, it's well built, just like you'd expect from Thermalright products. CPU coolers are often based on Asetek designs with some modifications, but the Thermalright Frozen Notte 240 features an external pump. And as mentioned before, this pump can reach a max speed of 5,300 RPM. Such designs are not commonly found in the cooling market, and it surely is a nice addition. The top of the pump features an infinity mirror with ARGB lighting and the Thermalright logo in white, while the bottom features a copper contact plate directly touching the CPU. The radiator is 277mm in length with a thickness of 27mm, meaning it should fit most cases without any worries. The cooler comes in two traditional colors, black and white. There's also a 360mm radiator option available, which comes with a triple fan setup and a much bigger radiator, offering even better cooling. In performance, the Frozen Notte 240 really hits a home run. The cooler is able to provide better results than competitors like the Deepcool AG500 and even Be Quiet Pure Loop 2FX. When running Cinebench, the Frozen Notte 240 maintains the temperature well within the 50 degrees Celsius range. On the other side, Deepcool AG500 and Be Quiet Pure Loop 2FX allow the temperatures to go up to 55 degrees Celsius and higher. The acoustics levels are also great. Even here, the cooler outperforms the Be Quiet Pure Loop 2FX, and it goes head-to-head with the Deepcool AG500. Noise levels reach up to 42 decibels, which means you shouldn't be able to hear the fans, even at high speeds. In terms of installation, the user manual lists 5 simple steps to install the cooler. These are pretty easy to follow, even for beginners, and include installing the mounting bracket, mounting the radiator to the case, and plugging in the cables. However, you must make sure not to forget to apply thermal paste before installing the cooler, since there's no pre-applied thermal paste. That said, the cooler supports Intel LGA 1700 and 1200, among others, along with a much wider AMD chipset support. Starting from AM2 all the way to AM5, your options are unlimited when it comes to AMD. All in all, the Thermalright Frozen Notte 240 is a cooler that matches the performance of 360mm radiators, offering exceptional cooling. You would expect high noise levels for such a show, but even there's not much room for complaints. This is truly an overall champion product. To sum up, what I like is the exceptional cooling, the great price-to-performance ratio, and the competitive price. On the downside, the thermal paste is not pre-applied. Ratings: Design and aesthetics, 8.5 out of 10. Cooling performance, 9 out of 10. Noise, 9 out of 10. Installation, 9 out of 10. Value for money, 9 out of 10, for an overall rating of 9 out of 10. Thanks for staying till the end. If you're looking to optimize your PC even further, don't stop here. We have more videos filled with suggestions and reviews to help you make the best decisions.